You used to walk into a room and feel like you mattered. People would look up, eyes would meet yours. There was a weight to your presence, a certainty in your step. But somewhere along the line, quietly, slowly, that changed. You started feeling like you were fading, not just from others, but from yourself. Conversations feel thinner. Touch feels rarer. Even your own reflection seems like it's slipping away. You've been holding it together, but deep down, something is missing. What if I told you that you could begin reclaiming your power, your presence, tonight? Not with another pill, not with a gym membership, but with your own 2 hands. This isn't about luxury. This is about survival, the kind of deep human healing we all need, but rarely talk about, especially as men. You've been taught to push through pain, silence discomfort, and keep moving forward. But what happens when the body stops responding? When energy dips, blood flow slows, and the connection between who you are and how you feel begins to fray? The answer doesn't lie in toughness. It lies in awareness, in reconnection, in learning to listen to your body in a way you never have before. And that starts with touch, intentional, restorative, healing touch. Most men won't talk about the loneliness that sneaks in with age, about the way they feel passed over. At work, at home, even in bed, they'll laugh it off, joke about getting old. But behind the humour is something much heavier. The truth is, the body remembers what you try to forget. It starts with something small, stiffness in your hips, a little less drive, a disconnect during intimacy. Then it spreads. Energy drops. Your posture slumps. You catch yourself avoiding mirrors, not because you're vain, but because you don't recognize the man looking back. You feel distant, and so do the people around you. Conversations become shorter. Physical affection becomes rare. You begin to wonder, is this just how it goes? No one warns you how isolating it can feel when your body begins to slow. When circulation decreases, especially in the pelvic region, your whole system suffers. Digestion, libido, mental clarity, even sleep, it all becomes foggy. And so, most men pull away. They isolate. They stop asking for what they need. They go silent. But your body, it never stops asking. Through aches, fatigue, tension, and a quiet longing for touch, it keeps sending signals. The pelvic region holds far more than muscle and bone. It holds stress, emotion, memory. When blood flow there decreases, confidence suffers, intimacy suffers, you suffer. But because we don't talk about these things, you might believe that decline is inevitable. It's not. And the solution doesn't require surgery or drugs. It requires something far more powerful and far more overlooked. You were never taught this, but you can learn it now. Your hands are tools for healing. Your breath is a signal of safety. Your body doesn't want to be fixed. It wants to be felt. When you use massage not as a luxury, but as a daily practice, a ritual of attention, you start to reawaken what's gone numb. Gentle, intentional touch to your lower abdomen, hips, inner thighs, and lower back can restore blood flow, release chronic tension, and stimulate the nerves that control both arousal and relaxation. But more than that, it sends a message. I am still here. I still matter. I deserve to feel good in my body. The science backs this up. Studies show that regular self-massage reduces cortisol levels, boosts dopamine, improves circulation, and reactivates parasympathetic pathways, the ones responsible for calm, confidence, and connection. Massage can literally reignite the body's natural capacity for pleasure, clarity, and energy. And you don't need a spa. You don't need permission. You only need presence. What happens when you stop ignoring yourself and start listening? Here's how you begin. Tonight, find a quiet room. No distractions, no noise. Dim the lights. Sit or lie down. Breathe slowly through your nose. Place both hands on your lower belly. Feel the rise and fall of your breath. You might not feel much at first, and that's okay. This isn't about sensation. It's about awareness, about rebuilding trust between you and your own body. Then move your hands to your hips. Use firm, slow stroke, circular motions. Explore gently. Move down to your inner thighs. Massage with flat palms, following your breath. These areas, so often ignored, are dense with blood vessels and nerve endings. They respond quickly. As you work, you may feel warmth, tingling, or even emotion. Let it come. Let it pass. Next, focus on your lower back and glutes. Massage around your sacrum, the triangular bone at the base of your spine. This is where the pelvic nerves converge. When you release tension here, you send a ripple effect through your whole body. Breathe, slow down, stay with the sensation. Don't aim for arousal. Don't rush for results. This isn't a performance, it's a reclamation. And the more consistently you do it, 5, 10, 15 minutes a night, the more your body responds. Sleep deepens. Erections return. Digestion steadies. But more importantly, you return. You'll stand taller, speak differently. People will feel the difference before they see it. Because confidence is not a look. It's an energy, and it starts from within. You've been told to man up, push through, don't ask for help. But let me tell you something as a doctor, and as someone who's witnessed real healing up close. You are not weak for needing more. You are wise for seeking it. Your health isn't just your responsibility, it's your power. And as you age, that power doesn't fade. It just changes form. You don't need to fight your body, you need to listen to it, to tend to it, to learn its language again, because your body is still capable of pleasure, of vitality, of emotional depth. It's waiting for you to return. Self-care isn't about candles, creams, it's about saying, I deserve to feel good. I deserve to feel seen. I deserve to feel alive. This massage isn't just a technique, it's a message. A reclaiming, a reminder that you are not invisible, you've just been distant, and now it's time to come back, not to who you used to be, but to who you still are, strong, grounded, present, and deserving of deep, nourishing touch. So tonight, start with one breath, one touch, one moment of presence, and watch what happens when you stop waiting for confidence to come from the outside and begin building it from within. You're not fading, you're returning, and I'll be here whenever you need the reminder